All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Several Indian tourists coming to the UAE will now be able to make payments across the country using the instant payment system from their home country. They will be able to use the QR-based Unified Payments Interface (UPI) to make payments at over 60,000 merchants across various sectors including retail, hospitality, transport, and supermarkets. UPI acceptance will also soon be rolled out to cover a wide range of establishments from retail stores and dining outlets, as well as tourist and leisure attractions including Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates. This comes after digital commerce firm Network International, Network, partnered with NPCI International Payments Limited, NIPLA, to roll out the payment system across the country. UPI is India's largest instant payments system with over 350 million active users. In May 2024 alone, it processed 14.04 billion transactions. By enabling UPI acceptance through its point-of-sales (POS) terminals, Network will provide a QR-based safe and secure method for facilitating cross-border payments. This will allow Indian tourists and NRIs with Indian bank accounts to use UPI for payments across Network's 200,000 terminals in the UAE. Earlier this year, a partnership with Dubai-based Mashreq Bank made it possible for Indian citizens to use the UPI-powered PhonePe app across Mashreq's NeoPay terminals across retail stores, dining outlets, as well as tourist and leisure attractions. The announcement came at an event held in Dubai in the presence of Satish Kumar Sivan, Consul General of India to the UAE, and senior representatives from both companies. Milestone move. The collaboration between Network and NIPLA, the international arm of National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, is in line with the UAE's vision to strengthen its position as one of the world's most popular tourist destinations and a global hub for commerce and businesses. The number of Indian tourists traveling to the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) countries is projected to reach 9.8 million in 2024, with the UAE anticipating 5.29 million visitors from India. According to Nandan Mer, Group CEO of Network International, said, "We are delighted to partner with NPCI International Payments Limited to strengthen the payments ecosystem for Indians visiting or working in the UAE. By enabling customers to pay in their preferred method, we are one step closer to realizing our vision to empower businesses and merchants with the latest payment technologies and strengthening the vision of a digital UAE. We are confident that this partnership will drive a robust digital payments ecosystem in the country that will increase cashless transactions." Jamal Al-Nasai, Group Managing Director for Merchant Services Middle East and North Africa at Network International, commented, "The launch of this partnership is a milestone for our extensive merchant network, which stands to benefit immensely from the new payment method. As the leading acquirer in the region, Network will leverage its 30-year legacy of technological innovation to enable acceptance of UPI-based payment apps to its merchants to drive global interoperability." Ritesh Shukla, CEO of NPCI International, stated, "Our partnership with Network International will deepen UPI's presence in the UAE. By growing UPI payment acceptance across merchants in the UAE, we are not only providing Indian travelers with a seamless and familiar payment experience, but also promoting the use of innovative digital payment solutions internationally. This collaboration exemplifies our commitment to driving." The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, said on Monday that it has joined Project Nexus with 4 ASEAN countries. Under this, a platform will be created for instant settlement of cross-border retail payments. RBI said in its statement that Nexus, conceptualized by the Innovation Hub of the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, aims to connect India's UPI, Unified Payments Interface, with the fast payment systems of ASEAN members Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. UPI service started in these countries. The central bank further said in its statement that the agreement was signed by BIS and the central banks of these 4 countries, Bank Negara Malaysia, BNM, Bank of Thailand, bought Bangko Sentral NG Pilipinas, BSO, Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, and the Reserve Bank of India on 30th June 2024 in Basel, Switzerland. Indonesia, which is involved in the initial phase, will play its role as a special observer. Service will be live by 2026. RBI said in its statement that this platform can be extended to many more countries in the coming time. It will be made live by 2026. Nexus Retail will play a big role in cross-border payments. This will make payments faster and at a lower cost.